Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So trans came in for this car. Dylan was so kind to let me use his SUV. I'm about to go pick it up. I actually checked the car yesterday. My rears need to be flipped. The insides are showing wire, so I'm going to take those off now, run them to the tire shop, get them flipped, then go pick up the trans, come back over here and start pulling this thing apart. So yeah. Guys, so as you can see, wheels are off and I almost missed the flip. I think we should be straight. This side clean as can be, but I think my toe in the rear is off a little bit, but it's just starting to show a little bit of thread. But yeah, let's get these things loaded up in the SUV and get them over to the tire shop. All right guys and girls, so we have gotten the tires flipped. As you can see, we finally got this on the outside, the good tread on the inside. Get them thrown on the car real quick, and then we got to go link up with Kyle to get the transmission over here, because we'll be working on the car over here at Randy's spot. So let's get these wheels thrown back on. All right, trans is all loaded up. We got to get this thing over to Randy's house. Okay guys, so excuse me, I know I need a haircut. We're gonna take care of that here shortly. Just been a busy, hectic day. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that we are going to start pulling the Cobalt apart today. I'm not 100% sure. Hold on, let's take this corner. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna even be able to drop the trans from the Cobalt, the one that's already in there, because I just have so much going on today. So if anything, like I said, we'll probably get the Cobalt jacked up and get it pulled apart, axles pulled out, so on and so forth. So yeah, this might be like a 2-3 part video, but we'll see. All right guys, so like I said, got the trans to Randy's house. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling apart, excuse me, go ahead and start pulling apart the Cobalt. Shout out to my boy Kyle for hauling that thing over here for me. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing thrown up on jack stands. Already popped the bumper off. But yeah, like I said, we'll see how far we get with it today. I don't necessarily expect to take this trans out and put the other one in all in today. I just want to kind of make sure I take my time, make sure I do everything right so we don't have to take it all back apart again. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing on jack stands up in the air high enough to get under there and start tinkering with it. We came out to get some I forgot what is this called, bro. I just forgot. Milk tea. I got some milk tea. We went to Binky's. This is red velvet. It's good. Your first try, Dante. What you think?
It's pretty good.
He was scared, but Nat decided to come out the house and flex. I'll show y'all the car in a minute. Y'all, this red velvet, amazing. Nat got 2.
One fat ass. You gotta get 2.
What you get? Mint?
Honeydew.
Honeydew.
You see her face? She's like, but yeah, man, this stuff hits. This is red velvet. This is my favorite. This is Binky's over here off the University City, right across from UNC Charlotte. We rolled over here in Nat's. What year is this, Nat?
2017.
2017.
2017 Accord sport model. This thing is nasty. Yeah, on bags. Bags aren't that bad, y'all. Bags aren't that bad. I never thought I'd say that, but Nat, he's converted me. But this thing is tuned. Like I said, bags. He got wheels for it, so we'll do like an in-depth video at some point. But this thing is clean, man. Like I said, I'm in love with this steering wheel, y'all. He plugged me in. He gave me the sight. I'm gonna go hit them up. We're gonna be looking at getting a custom steering wheel for the Cobalt, but this is nice. Full carbon, airless suspension, and a good luck
What type
kitty.
of airlift?
3P.
Yeah, 3P. Compressors in the tank.
No, outside the tank.
Oh, that's why it's so loud?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he got the Rolls Royce lights. Are these Rolls Royce lights? That's what they're called, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Not in your car though.
No, it's okay.
Noemi just threw up
No, I didn't.
in the back seat. Look at her chin.
I was trying to get this bubble.
Noemi just Noemi just threw up.
No,
Is that
I
why?
did
He's about to flex real quick.
You want me to air out?
Yeah, go ahead. Show. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh,
ain't got money.
I do want to touch the
Nah, in all seriousness, this car is clean. Full exhaust system. This thing is clean. But he's about to let Nat.
He could lay it down if he wanted to.
Yeah. He's about to let Nat test drive the GS. A static car.
Yeah, go ahead.
I would offer the Cobalt, but
I know how this car runs.
she is not on the. She's not operating right now.
For low cars.
He gets a little. Hey, you hear everything in your pocket? Yep.
Dante, Noami, Randy, and Nat Baller.
We getting married next year, so
Aww.
y'all invited to our wedding.
No, they're not.
Yeah. Who is?
I mean, no, you're getting married, but everybody's not invited.
I'm stupid.
This is how a bad guy drives a static car. Y'all just missed it. He just dodged nothing.
Look at him.
He literally just, he just stuck his head out the
He's
window.
teasing so hard.
What do you think, Nat?
It's not for me. It's Nat car.
I wanna eyeball it.
Come on, Dante, come on.
We can always replace it.
Yeah, but who wants to do this 5 times? It's not bad.
Well, you just behave.
Let's go by that.
Yeah, that's the center.
What's the center? The top of it?
So
The top of
So
the
where do you want your society? Because if you put it on the black, a couple of banners from the sun hitting it, it'll burn it. The society part. So mine isn't touching that bottom black.
So go
on
over here.
top.
Like that's a little high for me. But like I would go down to like right here, like right about there. But don't put it down yet. Don't put it down yet. Oh, right here. It's your car. Where you want it at? I don't know.
Do you want it down low?
Don't put it down. Fords do have a distinct sound.
I can drop it.
No.
He wants to so bad. It's a process.
Damn, that ass fat. Look
And
at
it
those
still got a
holes.
little bit bubbles.
The sun will take them out.
It's like tinted windows.
all good.
I had a little squeegee. I don't know where it is.
Or do you have like a little,
Shit, white on
little,
white looks good.
little
man.
razor pop the bubble?
Cocaine.
Oh, this is thicker. You get what I'm saying?